I see a package.
Yes, greetings, Earthlings. I am back. We have another package unboxing for you. And I think that this is one you are going to like. This says pull to open, but I'm not sure where I'm supposed to pull from, so I'm going to assume it's right here.
It's from The Amazing.
Yes, while I'm opening it, I shall sing the package song. I've got a package, I've got a package, I've got a package, yes I do. And just for everybody's reference, the camera went crazy because Gregory was dancing.
When you have package song, you are required to dance.
Yes, but just if anybody has epilepsy, please beware in that exact moment.
I didn't think about that.
Yes, Greg, or if you get severe motion sickness like I do, I apologize in advance for the cameraman's camworkery. Camworkery.
Groundbreaking.
Now, in here, we have something that I think all of you are going to like and we're going to show to you.
Gimme.
Yes, this is the Disney Doorables Villains. I don't know what we call this collection. What do they call it?
I believe this is just Villains.
This is just Disney Villains, but it comes in a special layout. It's got a number of really cool ones, including Kitty Yzma, which I am excited about.
Yzmopolis, my metropolis, my favorite place to be.
So, Greg, do you want to switch places and I will film the rest and you can open it?
Yeah, but I ain't the Doorables person. I'll do the Yzma.
All right. So
Please hold. You got it done. Look at the
Look
kaleidoscope
at how pretty it is. It reminds me of the inside of my brain.
You know, this would be accurate.
Yeah. So let's open up the top and
Oh,
see
it opens like a kaleidoscope, quite
is
literally.
Inside. Hold on. Ugh, I don't want to rip it because it's pretty. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Oh no.
Please hold.
And thank the goodness there is not an exclusive in this set.
Like a bonus one?
Yes, there's no bonus figure.
Yes.
Although, why is Raven named Raven and not Diablo? Did something happen?
I don't know, but...
Oh.
Oh, Greg, wait. So one of these actually is one of the mystery figures from one of the Disney Villains collection, because look. We have
Flotsam and Jetsam
here. I believe they are a different color, but this looks like the same mold.
They're definitely... Whoa, look at that background.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's Maleficent's dragon with Maleficent and Diablo. Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
I'm still calling him Diablo. I'm not calling him Raven. This... So what is Jafar's? It's a Cave of Wonders. Yzma has really nothing special, but this Yzma is everything.
They have Cat Yzma.
I'm more
Is that my voice?
I'm more intrigued by the hair. Okay, we gotta get some of these out. So you take two, and I'll take the Yzma. And
why do you get Yzma?
Because I already claimed her at the beginning of this video. You can rewatch the beginning. Thank you. Next. So, yeah.
They won't come out.
They won't come out, and I don't want to damage the beautiful packaging.
Yes.
So let's do this strategically. Here is Maleficent and Raven. So Maleficent...
AKA Diablo.
Yes. Diablo, I think, is new. I don't recognize him.
I haven't seen him before.
Maleficent has a really interesting kind of glow in the dark.
I think this is a new mold for Maleficent because I haven't seen this facial expression.
I haven't seen the flames, so I would agree with you. Flotsam and Jetsam.
That one.
Hi everyone. So at this point in the video, for some reason, the audio cut out. So I am just going to go through and tell you everything else that we talked about. So in this section right here, we just talked about all of the ones that are from Aladdin, and as you can see, they look pretty cool. And we're gonna move on to our lady Yzma in a second, who is also fabulous. So yeah. And I also have no idea what I was saying at this part either, but I can guarantee you it was something like witty banter with Greg, and then the video was ending. So I'm gonna cut the video early because the witty banter is not here, and I have no idea where the audio disappeared to. So goodbye, everyone.